The oldest black church in Jacksonville is officially opening its doors to a new facility after the previous one was destroyed during Hurricane Florence back in 2018. The Sandy Run Missionary Baptist Church celebrated its ribbon cutting and dedication on Saturday. Members held their first service on Sunday. Pastor Joel Churchwell says the history of the church has impacted the community for years. He says it's a blessing to still be just across the street from where it all began.
From its origins, a Bush Harbor across the street, and to still be where we are within this community is just speaks volumes of what God has done and what God is continuing to do.
The new 2,200 square foot facility features 11 classrooms, a fellowship hall, full kitchen, and administrative spaces.